Let's walk through how to build your product catalog in Taliup, quick, simple, and flexible for any business. From your Taliup HQ dashboard, head over to Catalogs and Products. This is where you manage everything you sell, from items to services. Before adding any products, you'll need to create a catalog. Click Create Catalog, name it, for example, Main Menu, and save. Next, click into your catalog and select Add Category. Enter the category name and select Create Category. Then open the category you just created and select Add Product. You can also add taxes, attributes like size or color, and other details. If you're adding multiple products, use the bulk upload feature. Go to Products. Select Bulk Upload. If you are coming from Clover, you can select Clover Import and directly upload your Clover catalog export into Taliup HQ. If you are not coming from Clover, download the template and follow the instructions as well as fill in the columns accordingly. When complete, save and upload your file and start selling.